Hello and welcome to your favorite art channel. In this video we will show you two different styles of drawing hair from the back and the side profiles. So stick around to see both approaches. In this part, we elected to start with a row sketch using a charcoal finger. We will first draw wide long lines to bring a sort of shape to the head. After we've achieved that, we can start the process of shadowing and highlighting. Here we use a blending stump. Here we use a charcoal pencil. Have confidence in the lines you draw. Confidence produces flow and rhythm. Now remember, this is only a freestyle way of drawing. We are following no real rule here, but rather our instinct. In this part, we take more of a strict approach. We take the rough measures first, and we move with the flow of the hair from the outside to the inside. Here we use a medium charcoal pencil. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. Nobody's born with a perfect technique. Technique comes from patience and practice. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome content. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.